Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Beautiful walk around in a nice weather today. Actually, it's the 4th, it's 12, nice, and it's already October, so it's already like a little windy, and I like it. All right, so we got here 2011 Camry burgundy color XLE model. We actually have two of them, guys, keep that in mind. This one has 80,000 miles. We have another one with 60,000 miles. All right, we'll start from the front right away. Windshield is good, original Toyota right here. You got nice fender. Tires in the front are very good. That should be good enough for you guys. I think they're not brand new, we didn't install them, but the tire tread looks good. You got front bumper. I don't see any damages on the front bumper. Headlights is nice. Look at that hood. I don't see anything on the hood. Okay. Now, as you can see, the car is so shiny and bright, and that's how the car is. You got a fender. I don't see any damages. You got a door panel, quarter panel. I'm telling you these terms so you know. Door panel, quarter panel. Okay. Not everybody knows. Here's your roof, and here's your sunroof. Okay, so we're gonna open up. Your mirror is good. Now this door panel, I'm not sure why they didn't take this off, guys. We're gonna pull on Monday. We're gonna pull these two tinted windows. They're coming out. The guy's off today, so we're gonna pull this off. It's not gonna be here. All right. The door panel is beautiful. Now look at this dashboard, guys. No stickiness, no cracks. Look at that. Dashboard is beautiful. You got books right here. You got super nice leather seats and a sunroof. Okay, so you have digital, I'm guessing, climate control, wood trim, nice steering wheel, nice sunroof. I mean, I don't know, Camry, 11 Camry, most reliable Camry with 80,000 miles with a clean fax. Okay, and the leather interior and the beautiful outside color. It's not depressing, it's not gray or something. I'm not saying gray colors are depressing, but this is not 50 shades of gray. This is 100 shades of red, burgundy, whatever it is, maroon, whatever you want to call it. Okay, look at the seats. Look at that seat, so soft, guys. Like, it's not dried out. Vehicle been in the garage always. Look at these carpets. Carpets are super clean, and the door panel, I don't know if I showed you, very clean. And we're gonna go here on the bottom, and look at the bottom, guys. Look at that, so clean, no rust. Guys, if you need the car, if you're in Massachusetts or something, you need a car, call me, we'll ship you the car. Okay, as you know, you're not gonna get rust-free Toyota that is 10 years old. If you're in Massachusetts or Connecticut somewhere, they're all rusted there. It's a fact. Okay, so we're gonna open this one up. Okay. All right, let's see what's in here. You got a spare right there. You got a jack. I don't think I can open it. I don't know, right there. Jack is right there. The spare is right here. The trunk is pretty big for this age. I think it's very nice. Yes, it's XLE model. Okay, take a look. We got I don't see any damages on this quarter panel. You got general tires, okay, in the back right here. Here's your bottom on this side. All right, I'm gonna open up this door. Beautiful. Also got this tinted windows, guys. If I would usually take the two tinted windows from the front. I wouldn't touch the back ones. Okay, so we're gonna only remove probably only the two front ones. All right, so unless you want me to keep it this way, please let me know. If you don't want it, you rather do it yourself. Okay, the interior is spotless here. Door panel is nice here. Fender is nice here. And I'm gonna take a look at this driver's seat. Look at this driver's seat. Okay, the steering wheel. Jump in the car. Okay. So we're gonna. Okay. All right. So radio works. I'm gonna put this up a little bit. Oh, nice. This works. You got nice Sun visor is clean. Got some headliner situation here, but just a little bit, right? See, yeah. We have like a little headliner glue, so we're gonna put it up here. Let's tell John. You got a compass right here, climate control, okay. JBL. Look, it says JBL right here, so I'm guessing it has JBL radio. You got steering wheel. Steering wheel is not beat up at all the buttons are here. You got this compartment here, secret stuff, mirrors, traction control, power locks, and overall display. What is this display? It's right there. Thank you. Right here. 81,342 with miles, guys. 81,342 with miles. And like I said, it's non-sticky, so keep it. You need to buy yourself like a sun guard, so your dashboard stays good. Okay, so we're gonna open this one up. We're gonna open up the hood. Okay. Standard Toyota. Take a look. 4-cylinder, reliable, nice unit. Okay, guys. Let me tell you something. There's nothing around 10,000 you're gonna buy right now reliable. This is a very reliable car for your son, for your daughter, for yourself. If you need to run errands, you can buy this car. It will serves you well. These cars at the auto auction always over 200,000 miles. This is 80,000 miles. You have a lot of life in this car. So, and please call us if you have any questions. Now, the friendly disclosure will be that this vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Shipping from one zip code to another zip code. Please take a look. Our zip code is 33304. It's $1 to $1.50 a mile. Okay, $1 to $1.50 per mile. Now, if you want to do paperwork remotely, everything could be done through DocuSign, and payments through wire transfers. It's very easy. If you need more pictures, once again, contact us. We have a team there that will help you. And if you have directly questions to me, you can ask for me. Thank you so much. God bless. My name is Mark. Bye bye.